need to check someone's location on iPhone or share your own safety? In today's video, I'll show you how to enable location sharing and see where people are in seconds so you can stay connected with these. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. I will now first show you how to share your location. On your iPhone, tap on the Find My Location app. Here you can see I can start to share my location with someone. Tap on Start Sharing Location. I can search for the name in my contact list and start sharing. You can choose the option of sharing for an hour, until end of the day, or indefinitely, which means it will be shared for as long as you keep this option on. So we'll just share for an hour. So here it says you shared sharing your location. So once that person has shared the location with you, when you open your Find My Location app, you will be able to see his name and you can tap on it and track his location for an hour. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.